Welcome to the Notary Educators with Kimmi YouTube channel. Hosts Kimmi and Jeff Nunnally, along with Alexis Franklin, share expert insights to help you launch and grow a successful mobile notary business, no matter what state you are commissioned in. Learn how to become a top-notch loan signing agent and get answers to common notary questions. Explore our all-inclusive $47 monthly training library, plus live weekly online coaching sessions with courses on general notary work, wedding efficient services, remote online notary, ink fingerprinting, apostille, translation services, and I-9 completion. So please remember that Notary Educators LLC is your one-stop shop for notary training. Now sit back and watch Kimmi and crew, and don't forget to subscribe to the Notary Educators with Kimmi YouTube channel for more tips. Take your notary business to new heights.
So far, because I know you followed me for a long time before you joined. What are your thoughts on what you've watched so far, the actual training? And again, welcome to the program. What else are we talking about today? I know it's something y'all want to talk about. As soon as I get off the live, somebody gonna have some comments. But I'm here live in the flesh. We can talk. What else is going on with me? So for me, you probably have seen a whole lot more of me. Let's just say that. You've seen a whole lot more of me recently. I'm doing more shorts, more life videos, you know, maybe me with coffee, me with water, me walking or whatever. I'm doing a little bit more of that. People just want to see, you know, what you do. And I'm pretty open book here. I just haven't shared a lot of my personal life. I mean, what I do is notary, basically. So yeah, I've been doing quite a bit more. A lot of my friends are like, girl, I see you doing Instagram. You are tearing up Instagram and TikTok. So I've been really working on my social media. Have you guys caught any of my new videos and some of the music? And that's the part I've been enjoying because I love music. So I've been able to incorporate the music in my new shorts. What are you guys thinking about the new shorts with the music and dancing and all this kind of stuff? Tell me what you're thinking about that. What's your thoughts? And of course, there's always going to be an educational piece. But what are your thoughts? Let's see. And I'm hoping I'm inspiring you to do more with your social media. Let me know if I'm inspiring you to do more with your social media also. Joy says, I just need to know where to start and then move forward. So you have the book. That is where you start. You have the book. There is no magic sauce. You have the book. So start with the book and I outline literally step by step. I've had to have people, Joy, sometimes they buy the book, they look at the book and they still call me and say, what do I do? I'm like, you didn't read the book. You need to take your time and eat it like a nice steak dinner that you paid $200 for. Hey Notary fam, it's Kimmi. I am here to let you know, just in case you have not heard about the Notary Business Coaching Success Program. We meet weekly. We talk about your notarial duties, how to do an acknowledgement, how to do a jurat, how to administer an oath, everything you've been asking for. And guess what else is included? Unlimited access to all of my trainings that will also include ink fingerprinting, trust/estate documents, learn how to properly execute a trust. Don't forget, we also have the private community, like-minded notaries who have been trained by me. Check out my book that I've written for each state, How to Start Your Notary Business in Alabama, California. You get the point. Wherever you're located, there's a book for your state. Well, hopefully I'll see you soon over in training. Notary Educators, LLC. We got you covered. Bye. Okay. You don't just rush that down like a McDonald's hamburger, right? A $200 meal or $150 meal, even $50 meal, you're going to eat that a little bit slower. You're going for the ambiance. You want 5 courses. You want it nice and slow, right? But when you go to McDonald's, you're in a hurry. You're on an hour lunch, half-hour lunch. Most people don't even get an hour. You're on a half-hour lunch. You chow that burger down. You ain't even tasted. You ever eat so fast and you go back and say, dang, I ain't even tasted. I got to get some more. I'm a fast eater. So my mother all my life is like, you eat too fast, you eat too fast, you eat too fast. So I am a fast eater, and that's why sometimes I'm like, dang, I ain't even tasted it. I got to go back and get some more. So my point in reading the book, though, is devour it like a nice, slow cooked meal or something you paid a lot of money for. You got to just really take your time. Because once you read it once, okay, fine. You read it, now what? But if you actually take your time, chapter, it ain't that many chapters actually, but go page by page and actually do the checklist, read it and process it. Okay, Kimmi says that I need to get my commission. Let me stop here. Let me go get my commission. Kimmi says I need to get some supplies. Let me stop here, get my supplies. Kimmi says I need to get my handbook. Let me stop here and order the handbook. So if you actually do the steps in the book, you're going to be ready. And then your next step is going to be training, because the book doesn't cover training, but we got you covered on that too, okay? Let's see what else we got here. Katie's Kitchen, welcome. She says, oh, yay, caught alive, and that's why I'm here. What's up? So Katie's Kitchen said, I listen to you while I clean. Welcome again, Katie's Kitchen. Yes, I'm in the flesh, so any questions you want to ask, go ahead. I asked earlier, how do you like the new shorts and stuff? And Lori is saying she loves it all. Thank you, Lori. Lori's in mentorship and she's super dope too. Thank you. I appreciate it, Lori. Lori is always helping out too. Martha says, yes, I like those. Oh, thank you, Martha. Yes, thank you. I get a chance to do my other side of Kimmi and do a little teaching at the same time. I try not to just go too crazy, because the camera can make you be like, yeah, so I try not to do that. We want to be professional. We always want to keep it professional, right? Not too hooch, not too, you know what I'm saying. So it's not that channel, but we can liven it up, and it's been working. I feel good. I'm filming a lot more just random stuff, like it might just be me with this water bottle. Hey, something, I don't know, whatever. So I like that, I don't have to film as much content, because I already have all kind of teaching stuff here. I got 1,000 videos, so I got all kind of teaching stuff in the courses and the books and everything. So now we just kind of showing people who we are, Lisa says, I saw that, love the dancing, LOL. Thank you, Lisa. Great. I'm not the best dancer. I think I can. You know what I'm saying? I think I can do a little something. Jeffrey thinks he can dance. I told somebody he should be on that show. And he actually is kind of smooth. He can dance. He pulls me around and all that. But I'm not good at following. So I think that's part of the problem. I think that's part of my problem. I don't like to follow. So Martha says, thank you, Kimmi. You are so welcome. Joy says, no, I haven't. I just follow you on YouTube. I did not know you were on the other platforms. Now I'm going to have to go and follow. What? Yes, Joy. I am on Instagram, Notary Educators with Kimmi. And actually, I had 2 Instagrams. And I probably did something I should not have done, quite honestly. But I'm like, whatever. I got to simplify my life. So sometimes I'm of the mindset, and this, you'll find this even in your notary business or whatever business you're doing, you're going to have to take some losses, what they say, an L, and then keep it moving. So on one of my IG pages, I had 453. It was actually growing. That one was called Notary Educators. And then I had my original Notary Life with Kimmi, because I changed the YouTube channel in 2025 earlier this year. Everything became uniform, so everything now is Notary Educators or Notary Educators with Kimmi. So the Notary Educators page I had, it had to go because I had more followers on my Notary Life with Kimmi. So I changed the name of it from Notary Life with Kimmi to Notary Educators with Kimmi. So that's the same thing with this YouTube channel. It was Notary Life with Kimmi, and now it's Notary Educators with Kimmi, because the brand needs to be cohesive. Okay? The brand needs to be cohesive. Your brand needs to be cohesive. It shouldn't be that you're wearing, some of your website is in hot pink and some of it is in purple and some of it is in green. It should look a little uniformed, right? Imagine a house. If you go to the house in your neighborhood or apartment in your neighborhood and everything is a different color, everybody's like, oh, who lives in that house? Who lives in the hot pink house? There's nothing wrong with hot pink because clearly that's my color, right? Look at this. Boom, boom, boom.